Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today we are over at Lakeside Village and we're going to be taking a look at Unit C4. So come check it out. Okay, so here we are, Unit C4 in Lakeside Village. Right here we've got a vacant lot over here. So you could have a neighbor one day, but we're going to be looking at everything kind of this direction. So cute. This is a park that you do have to get approved in. So they do have rules and regulations, but the great thing is that you are right on the water. So I can see the water right over here, and I'll walk you up there a little bit towards the end of the tour. But we've got this great, kind of like a rustic red color. Beautiful. And so many upgrades. So here is this is going to be the driveway coming from other units. So you've got the water right there. But our driveway is going to be up this direction. So coming up, we have, as I was just saying, a lot of upgrades inside here, which I will go through here shortly. Your parking is going to be back here. Large amount of parking. And so this one can come fully furnished as well. We do have a shed outside. Just kind of open it. Let's just peek inside. Nice, clean. You can stand up in there too. So we do have out here a new torch down roof up here, which is going to be great for insurance as well. Another thing just to note, you do have these beautiful pine trees that just create a lot of shade for you outside hangout. So we've got two outdoor hangout spaces, one off the back, one off the front. It is kind of, I guess you could call it kind of gated if you did have a dog. So you do have to get dogs approved by the park. So here we are. The paint of it is in great shape. I love that color, and the great, like a brown with a red as well. We do have, I mean, this is a great place to note it, new mill guard windows. They do have a new water line as well. So coming in, we've got our dining room. So this used to be the bedroom. So you could, if you wanted to flip-flop, you could put this back that direction. But it makes for, I think, a better dining room as well. In here, we do have laminate hardwood floors. Kind of like a grayish blue on the wall. You could almost fit it as like a dining room and an office if you wanted to. Just depends on what you feel like doing. But lots of built-ins up here. Built-in shelving. And so this is kind of just the closet space as well. And the access for the water lines in the bathroom, because the bathroom backs up here, is going to be right through here. We do have the heating in here, but we just cover those up since it's summertime. Nice pocket door. You could also, if you wanted to make it a 2-bedroom, you could also have like a little sleeper sofa in here. So coming down the hallway, we have a closet right here. as well as the stackable laundry. Good amount of storage in between here. More storage that kind of blends into the kitchen. So coming into from the hallway, we've got the laminate flooring to this is like a vinyl tile. It's nice. Nice pedestal sink. Good amount of storage in the bathroom. Fan. And then kind of a step up into the shower. Nice, very clean tub. And so you do have the doors, but you've also got the curtain as well. So coming in, we've got the kitchen. Look how cute it is. So in the kitchen, we've got tiled countertops, nice cabinetry, full-size oven and stovetop, along with a microwave, full-size microwave. It's nice having the dual pane windows in here too. Dual sinks. Love the color in here. It's kind of like almost like a grayish navy, like a kind of a grape color almost. Little office area right here. And here we are coming into the living room. We've got the TV. Probably about 7-foot ceilings in here as well. Maybe 7.5. Love the 3 big windows in the front. We do have some nice upgraded blinds right here too. They're in great shape. And then here we are going into the bedroom. So originally this would have been your living room. So if you want to, you can kind of turn it all back, but I kind of like the flow of it too. Is that it makes for a great bedroom. Very large size. Painted paneling. Lanai heater. Beautiful beadboard ceiling in here. And this is I love this. It's like a brick flooring with a beautiful fireplace too. So we did just reduce this one down to $89,000. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 560 square foot. Let me know if you would like to take a look, and I will get you some video of the lake as well. So follow me. Okay, so here we are walking from the unit. We're just going to kind of take a quick walk down to the lake. And in the meantime, we will pass by some other units as well. We do have speed bumps. Some units have grass. Beautiful vegetation right there. And then here we have the lake down this direction. So a couple different empty spots around here as well. Not really sure if they're going to be allowing other units in there anytime soon, but it's there. We're going to come. These are going to be lakefront units right here. So there's going to be a little space up here where you can get to the water and the boat dock. So here is parking. This is just for anybody in the complex right here. And they have little doggy waste pickup bags. So this is the visitor parking right here. And then if you're coming out to the water, you have a sprinkler system. I'm just going to stay away from those. Little picnic tables out here. And here's Big Bear Lake. And then you can also, this is Meadow Park right here. So pretty much just walking distance. There's some paddle boarders out here right now. All right, there you have it. Let me know what you think. Bye.